Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you how to build a Lego Microscale Mosque. This is one of two microscale tutorials that I'm going to do. Next week I'll be showing you how to build a Lego Microscale church. So I decided to do the mosque first because I just designed it yesterday, so why not? And these are all the parts that you need, so pause the video to get a look at that. And by the way, these curved 3x3 bricks, so there's 4 of them. First of all, place a 1x10 brick on the right hand and left hand side of a 6x12 plate, and then in between a 1x4 brick. Now stack your window pieces along the edges, and at any stage in this build, once you've got the basic foundations, I'd recommend. I did this at a different stage, I didn't do this in order for some reason, but start placing the tiles in a checkered order like this. You can use any colour of tiles that you want to. These are just the one I choose. They're basically my default design for tiles now, so you get the idea, it's quite simple. After you've placed all the windows, place 2 half arches along the side. Then place 2 1x6 bricks along the back of the building, and then 2 1x1 bricks in between the arches. Then you place the final row of bricks, which is 2 1x6s and 2 1x4s along the right and left hand sides, then a 1x4 on the front and back. Then start placing 6x2 or 2x6 plates along the top. This is the first stage of the roof. And then place your 3x3 curved pieces on top of those plates. Then you start stacking these curved pieces again, curved bricks on top of that. In between it, put blue 1x2s. This was originally intended to be a Greek building. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough white pieces to do that, so I decided to make it a mosque. Anyway, you now place 4 dome pieces on top. It might be hard to get them in place at first, but once you've got all 4 on, they should hold each other together in a way. Now, on top of that, place a 2x2 brick, and it might take a bit of squeezing to get it in the right place on top of this, but hopefully you should get there eventually. Yeah, there, it should fit eventually. On top, place another domed for 2x2 piece. On top of that, if you have the piece, place a golden stud or of any kind, just as a finishing touch, if you've got that piece, and then you should be done. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video, and if you want to see the Lego Church tutorial and other tutorials, as well as a Lego City tour, I'm trying to think of a new layout for the city, be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. See you in the next video.